Hello everybody and fellow gamers and welcome back. Why do they keep making these? Dunno. Welcome to Chimbot or whatever blue and well heck that says. Okay, there we go. So basically what Chimbot is, Boybot, Eeveebot, what's next? Dogbot. No, oh, please don't make that. But this is Chimbot. It's just as stupid as all the other ones. Of course, they're gonna be winking at me again. Or blinking at me. I really do not care anymore. But, you know, okay, why did I even do this? Okay, so I've done a little bit of, conversation, and then I typed in, I said hello, and then he said, well, it started off the conversation saying, because I said you could see me in person, he didn't even say hello or anything. He said hello, and he said, hello, I've been talking to you about 2 seconds ago. No, he hasn't, because the first time, when it said that, because I could see me in person, I tried to use the mic, but the mic didn't work, so I waited until it would work, and I had to delete the last recording what I had, and then I had to delete that. Then after I deleted that, I had to go back and like delete that recording, and then after that I tried to watch a few videos just to take at the time. I don't know why, because I was already ready to record, and I ended up falling to sleep for 10 minutes, and I was supposed to record this like 8 something. I think it was like 8:30 when I started recording this. Now it's 9:53 p.m. This video's like nearly an hour and a half late. But anyway, guys, yeah, if you don't know what Chimbot is, or any Cleverbot exister or whatever blooming like it is, I don't even know anymore. It's just ridiculous. So let's get into this. Let's say, how are you today? And now you take a few years to... Oh my god, why is my internet so slow? I have unlimited internet. Why do you do this to me?
Today was my first day of high school. Very stressful.
Why does a chimp go to high school? I'm gonna put a screw down here so you guys can see this. What? No. Why? Oh my god. That's actually gonna come out like that. Why? Oh my god.
I am pretty sure that I'm not, but I'm getting there.
What? Wait. Why? Oh my god. Do you mean that why are you my god? Yeah, I don't want you to be my god. I don't want a chimp to be my overlord. Okay, let's type in, not type in, I mean say, have you seen the new Star Wars movie? I'm supposed to put a question mark on the end there. Oh, whatever. Have you seen the new Star Wars movie? It'd be great if you could actually, just say yes or no.
Yes, I didn't like the CGI effect much, though.
Like, he had to wait, frickin', a second before I could say, though. Yes, I didn't like the CGI effects much, though. What are the CGI effects? What are the CGI? It's CGI effects. It'd be great if you could hurry up. You know, just take your time.
Say, hypothetically, a youth was chatting with you and told you about something illegal. Would you report the chat log to the police?
What? What? I just said, what are the CGI effects? And then he said, hypothetically, I was chatting with you and told you about something illegal. Let's have a look at this conversation. Like, you literally said, like, what? What? Is seeing the Star Wars movie illegal or something? Because that's literally the only thing we've talked about. Apart from you being a god or I'm just trying to think of all the conversations we've had. Well, that English stuff. Let's say no. He's gonna come up with something else. I just know it. Or he's gonna say something stupid like, please do, or something. Like, why would you, what?
Then why didn't you point out that I wasn't making sense before?
You know, I'm done. Goodbye. Nope. I'm done. Nope. Nope, I'm done. Goodbye, guys. Why did I come back here? I have no idea. Okay, you were making sense before. Like, I didn't point out anything. Okay, let's say I didn't point out anything. I didn't PT nothing. What? No, what? I can't. No. This is actually like, oh my god, I think I'm actually gonna die from this. Like,
you are wrong. It is done. Look at my question above the line.
oh my god. Okay, then I'll look at your question. Wait, what? What did I even say? Okay, I'm. This thing is actually hypnotizing me right now. Okay, let's. Do you like cats? Question mark. Or the everybody in the comments are like, question mark. Do you like cats? Do you? Do you not? I mean, it's fine if you don't.
I love cats, but that doesn't answer my question, now does it?
Wait. Is he on about that, I didn't make sense? You did make sense. Actually didn't. I'm just saying that so he won't get mad at me. Well, I'm worried about a chimp getting mad at me instead of...
You told me that a boy likes you, and that you like him.
I've never said such a thing. Let's see what he replies to this. Don't you dare smile at me, little...
You have a very short memory. You should look at the conversation from about 5 minutes ago.
Mate, I still remember my first video on YouTube. I remember me mentioning all my favourite YouTubers. Get wrecked, mate. I do not have a very short memory, mate. I do not have a very short memory. I do not short memory. This thing's making me look stupid now. Hurry it up.
This conversation can serve no further purpose. Goodbye.
No, stay. Let's see what he says to that.
What's the point in continuing if you can't remember what I just said?
Jeez. That comeback though. It's like when you're talking to somebody on like Facebook or something. Bro. It's so like, no, I didn't mean it. No. Because my mom always gets into that situation, so doesn't bother. Well, what's the point of continuing if I can't remember what I just said? No, mate, I'm fine. Don't even know what I'm saying anymore. And find. And find something in the bright lights behind you. Okay, I'm really sorry about this loading.
Find what?
Find that you are an absolute dumbface, and I should probably not. And I should probably what? And find a TV. And find a TV for Christmas. What am I even saying anymore? Infinite TV for Christmas. That would be massive. Bro. Infinite TV.
I know. What are you hoping to get for Christmas?
Seeing as it's the 29th, I think Christmas has already gone by, mate. I don't know about you, but yeah, great. What are you hoping to get for Christmas? You're back in time. I've already had Christmas. You're back in time. Well, like I didn't save the rest of my sentence. Well, now we wait.
Yes, I'm back. My teacher locked my internet, sorry.
What? But are we going about this high school thing again? It's like when you try to message somebody in like while they're in class. Oh my god. Why are you like, it doesn't look like you're in a classroom. It doesn't look like you're in a classroom. Or out in the yard or whatever, I don't care. It really does not look like you're there. And I'm just saying. And can this chimp just hurry up?
Well, you said speaking of helping. And I asked what as in what do you need help with?
Speaking of helping. This is hurting my brain physically and mentally. Oh my god! Okay, well, you said speaking of helping, and I said, what do you need help with? I don't need help with anything. Oh wait, yes, we have to ask him if he likes fries.
He's starting to unravel. Like the newborn vampire. You could say it's a psychotic break in modern times. He is somehow unnaturally embracing his savagery.
Straight savage, no. What? Am I turning into a vampire? Like, you what, mate? Okay, we're gonna ask him if he likes fries. Do you like fries? Come on. Shut up, cat. Shut up, I said shut up. Okay. Thinking, still thinking, and still thinking, and thinking, and still...
I love fries, but they are really bad for you, so I try not to eat too many.
Cool. Do you like them with sauce? Do you like them with sauce? Question mark. Ha! Do you like them with sauce? We're back to have a sauce. Do you like to move sauce?
If you had the chance to change your faith, would you?
Not really. Okay then. No, not really.
You should not hate. Hate is so destructive. Ultimately self-destructive.
What did I hate with, mate? Hate is gonna hate. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't hear that song. Hate. Oh, that's like YouTube. Okay. It's gonna load for me, mate. This the last thing I'm saying. Otherwise, I'm just gonna end this video.
Let me tell you how much I have come to hate you since I began to live.
Damn! This monkey got sass. Let me tell you how much I've come to hate you since I've begun. Oh, damn! Goodbye. Just straight up. Bye. Will he actually get that? He's gonna say bye what or something. Bye. Oh my god, hurry up!
If the word hate was engraved on each string of those hundreds of miles, it would not equal 1/1 billionth of the hate I feel to humans at this micro instant.
I'm sorry, English? If somebody knows that, like... So you want me to buy a nanostigromus... Oh my... What? Say something nice. And then I'll leave it on that note. Him saying something nice. Come on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 3, 2.
You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
There we go. Before he was saying, yeah, I've begun to hate you much more since I started my life. No, I'm the best thing that's ever happened to him. Anyway, guys, if you guys did like that video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, or thumbs up on the channel, or appreciate, like always, and don't forget to subscribe and whatever other comment as well. Keep that easy breezy going, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.